Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today, we're going to see a side sacada. We're going to be giving you tips to do it properly and comfortably.
Before going to the video, remember to like if you enjoyed it, share with your friends, and subscribe with notifications.
Let's get to work.
Great, here we are at the dance floor, ready for us. Let's do a side step, getting ready for sacada. We have a boleito to prepare again, side step sacada. We have the boleito, and we repeat this over and over so we can work on the technique for side sacada that the leader in this case is doing to the follower.
I was doing different combinations, how to exit properly. But now, what we are doing here. One of the main things here, we're going to just land the position of the sacada. Let's go here. Do you notice that leader, we are displacing the position of the hip to the side when we are about to do the sacada. If my hip is not displaced to the side, to the left, I will end up bumping with her, sorry Miri, yeah? So that's one thing. When we are using, we are going to lower and start transferring her body weight. Can you see that I am transferring her body weight, and this one doesn't even have body weight yet? And then from here, once we transfer, then we are going to surround her, and that will produce a sacada. Yes? So, important thing is that we can initiate the movement front and then rotate. The most important thing that happens is that when we do the side sacada, we have to contact with the soft muscles, with the outside part of our leg. That's for the leaders.
Very, very good. For followers, it's almost the same technique. So we send the leg, transfer body weight. When we transfer, we'll feel the sacada on the side part of our leg. From here, we keep going around. And in this case, we fit together, but we could do a boleo or any figure to do it again. Let's try one more so you can see it from the other angle. I'm extending. I'm not rushing to change body weight because I have to wait for the leader to lead me to go to the other leg, and then he will do a sacada. So if I respect the timing and if I do side step, transfer, when I transfer, I feel the displacement on my left leg in this case. If I do all the way here at once, this leg goes and we don't give them the timing, the opportunity to do the sacada or displacement.
And he may kick you.
So very important for followers is to extend the leg, respect this timing. When he moves the torso, that means I'm traveling, I'm going to the next leg, and I feel the displacement.
Yes. So now, one thing when we are doing here, can we move here so we can see it from the close position? Now, when we are doing the side sacada, leaders, I'm initiating the side sacada, but then you will see that I follow her leg in a circle. I don't continue going straight. I will do this one and we enter in line and it becomes a circle when we rotate. That will be better. If I don't do that little circle for the leaders and I continue straight, look what happened. This is not good. Look what happened with her leg. Can see I'm pushing her. Even if I keep her axis, her leg looks like too much. It's like a boom. Yeah, sorry, Miriam. So the goal is that we enter and we surround close to her base leg. So when we transfer body weight, for her it's much easier to do that sacada.
It feels very natural, very soft. You feel very clear the displacement, and it gives the follower the opportunity to go around and have a nice line with the legs.
Now we're going to do a couple of times with different exits, different ways to exit from this side. But before that, I would like to mention that we present this week our own line of tango suits. Yes?
It's called Tango Dapper,
Yes.
just in case you don't know.
So far, we've been having tango pants that are available on our website, miriamleonardotango.com. But now we have the complete suit designed for dancers, pants and jacket. Check that out, miriamleonardotango.com. And now, yes, let's give it a try with dynamic and different exits. 1 and 2, pam, pa. and 1 and 2, salida, side, sacada, pa pam, and cruzada, again, 2, 1, pa pam, pam, 8, salida, pam, pam, pam.